Hey guys, I'm Deepti Desikian. I know the weather has been extremely gloomy, especially wherever I live, that is Bangalore. And I know apart from looking for like waterproof makeup that can stand the test of this monsoon season, you're also looking for a nice lightweight moisturizer. Did I guess that right? I know. So I am here with just the right product that fits that need. So I'm here to talk to you guys about the Kama Ayurveda Eladi Hydrating Light Cream. Now this is a light version of their already existing product, which is a super popular product, their bestseller, which is the Eladi Hydrating Rich Cream. So the name itself suggests that it's a rich cream, so it works for intense moisturization, whereas this one is the Eladi Hydrating Light Cream, so it's made with light emulsion technology to give you that non-greasy moisturization. So now let's talk about the beautiful texture of this product. So it has a very nice lightweight creamy texture that absorbs instantly into your skin. It does not feel greasy and heavy on your skin as well, and it nourishes your skin, making it feel really nice and hydrated, smooth and soft. And prolonged usage of this product is said to even out your skin's texture as well. So these are not just claims made by the brand, okay? They have gone ahead with clinical trials to back the authenticity of this, and also they've gone ahead with clinical trials to test the efficacy of this product, that is the Eladi Hydrating Light Cream, for 28 days. The test was carried out at Mascot Spin Control India, a clinical research organization of global repute. So this was a blinded study, which means that the subjects were not aware of the type of product which was applied. So like I mentioned, that there was 28 days of clinical trials conducted, and the result of that is it boosts hydration by 63% and 34% enhancement in skin's texture. And not only this, I actually really like the ingredients present in this particular product. So Eladi oil or thylam is an authentic Ayurvedic recipe made of 28 herbs processed in sesame oil. So Eladi thylam is ideal for youthful skin, correcting the pigmentation of your skin and also enhance the texture of your skin. So apart from that, this particular product also has ingredients like costus, which is a herb that can help heal your skin. It also has cardamom, which has antibacterial properties that can help in clearing out breakouts, and also acts as a skin purifier by clearing out the blemishes. So it helps in giving you a clearer and even toned skin. So it basically just enhances the way your skin looks. So apart from that, it has beetroot extracts that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help relieve dryness and also work on dark spot and blemishes. It also has cinnamon leaf extract that help firm the skin, and it also has vitamin E, which helps retain moisture and reduce UV damage. Now that you know the amazing ingredients that this product has, I'm pretty sure you want to try it out. You can take at least 1 or 2 pumps, or you can just be generous with it, how much ever your skin requires, and apply it on your face and neck. And whilst applying it, you can massage it in an upward motion gently on your skin. Now, because it is very lightweight and it absorbs quickly, it's ideal for most skin types, especially for people with combination and oily skin type. The sebum balancing property of this product makes it ideal for your skin. And because it has pretty good ingredients, it is recommended for use by teenagers as well on a daily basis. Now, what I really like about this particular product is how it makes my skin feel plump and more even toned. And because it's very lightweight, I can pair this with most of my like extremely dewy makeup products. It doesn't like make it look too much. And it also pairs really well with my other skincare products, and I've really been enjoying using it that way. Now, this product does contain rose and jasmine essential oil blend for people who really like that combination, or just a heads up for people who tend to stay away from that. I, however, really like the way it smells. It smells divine. I really like it. So yeah, before we end this video, I have to give a mention to their packaging. Look at the outer packaging. This is what their outer packaging looks like. It looks so nice, feels so nice and luxe. And the actual product, again, oh my god, so luxe. So it it's nice and sturdy. It has a nice weight to it, and it comes with a pump that dispenses just the right amount of product, so you don't waste a lot of product as well. And I've always been attracted to the aesthetics of their packaging, like in their store and everything, right from the time I started my channel. So yeah, just a little mention about the packaging. So I'm so glad I actually tried this particular product out, and I hope you guys get to try it out too. And I hope this video helped you guys in making a decision in case you wanted to try this product out. So I will make sure to leave all the product links in the description box below. So yeah, make sure to check that out. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.